Great. Moving on. Assumption. There's nothing else we can use, so we have to use that. This is the constructor. Assumption. Assumption. Nothing else we can use. This is going to be constructor. Constructor. Assumption. Assumption. Okay. Cases H. What do we have? Cases and assumption. Cases H. Constructor. I'll probably break cases H first. So we're just breaking H apart, right? Actually, we don't care about this. We only want the P. Nothing else really matters. Right, we don't want all the Q's. This is done. Okay. Assumption, cases, and constructor. Didn't we solve this problem before? Oh, we can't use have. Okay, so cases H, rest. Alright, now we do construct. We don't have, yeah, we have to do constructor. Assumption. Okay. Let us just continue on. Exact and half. So this should be exact. Great. Exact and half is all we have. So do we have the intro? We don't have the intro. We do have the intro. We don't have the intro. Okay, so this is exact function x returning x. Oh, we have this. So this is exact. This is the function x which takes function x which takes I and s, returning n dot intro, x dot right, x dot left. Okay. Chain reason. This is going to be exact function c, which is then going to return h1 of c, returns an a, and then we do h2 of this. Great. All we have is exact and half. Okay, so function exact function u. What does it return? So h5 of u is going to return a t, and then h3 of this returns a q, and then h1 of this returns a, I think this does it. Nope, I screwed up somewhere. Wait, h5 of u is going to return a t, and hang on, I'm being so backwards. Yeah, I'm doing this backwards. What am I thinking? H1 of P, this returns a Q. And then H3 of this returns a T. And then H5 of this should return a U. Okay, I was being stupid. C, D, F. All we have is exact and half. We have to get an S somehow, so this is going to be H and dot intro. We need to get our C and D, and that should do it. Okay. And info number 2. Exact function CD, which has type C and D. How do you get an S out of it? So H of CD dot left, CD dot right. And I should do it. Great. Distribute. Okay, we can't break. Do we have cases? We don't have cases. So this is going to be fact function f of f. And for intro, how do we get a C? C is going to be h dot left of s, and then D is going to be h dot right of s. Nine of 9, uncertain snacks. That. Ha! That was good. Okay.